I made a mistake in Lightroom that cost me thousands of hours of work. Let me explain. Now, this is a mistake I made, and I want to explain, maybe save you some time, help you understand a little bit more about Lightroom and the catalog and how to organize your files. Because Lightroom is super easy, but see, I didn't know that having all of your pictures in one catalog was a problem. You see, I am what you would call the high volume shooter. I shoot a lot of pictures, whether it's wildlife, travel, stock. So since 2016, every year I've added 30,000 pictures to the catalog. And that's been fine ever since. I just go in, upload the pictures, and they've all been organized and everything's been fine until it wasn't. At the end of 2022, I had a big job. I had to get some files ready. I go to log into Lightroom, nothing. It won't open. Lightroom recommends going in and deleting this file. I'm going to put a link right here in the description with the troubleshooting. If you ever have a problem where you can't open Lightroom, if you go in and delete this file, you're going to be able to reset the library and start fresh. That didn't work for me. It was something glitched out, something happened, and that didn't work. So I had to start fresh. I didn't lose my pictures. I lost all of my edits. I know, since 2016, 30,000 pictures a year. I lost every edit I had done. So what I did, and this is something that for anybody that's interested, this is probably something you should do as well. Lightroom doesn't recommend having more than 10,000 pictures in one catalog. First of all, it's going to slow it down. And secondly, you might have issues like this. So what I've been doing is transferred everything to external drives. These are solid state drives, 2 terabytes, 500 megabytes, a couple other regular hard drives. I also have two G drives, G RAID drives, so a 20 terabyte and a 36 terabyte, but they're full with videos. Thanks, YouTube. So as soon as I'm able to get some of the video out of there, I'm gonna do another backup and put these, just copy the catalogs and have a backup. This will help me save the images and keep everything organized. So right now I have 2016, 2017, 2019, that's actually 2021, 2022, and I just started a new catalog for 2023. So there are options. This is not for everybody. Not everybody's a high volume shooter like I am, but there's a lot of people that do weddings, that do product shoots, that do food or wildlife. Cameras today do 30 frames a second. So when you're shooting a bald eagle, something that's flying, diving, catching fish, you'll do 100 pictures in just a few seconds. I didn't know this. I never researched it because I didn't think it was going to be a problem. It's not all gone. You know, all my edits are gone, but I'm starting with experience. I didn't lose everything. I get a new start. Now I can go through everything, reorganize, reanalyze. And as is right now, I have everything reorganized. I made an individual catalog per year, so now I can go through my images a little bit easier. It is a pain when I'm working on a project that has 2 or 3 years. I have to plug in every hard drive. This was just a short update, something that can help you keep organized and avoid an issue like this that cost me thousands of hours. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.